Hello. Are you looking for a unique and elegant way to add some flair to your next project? Look no further than resin marble. Resin marble is a popular art form that uses epoxy resin to create stunning patterns that resemble natural marble. The process of creating resin marble is simple. All you need is clear epoxy resin and resin pigment in the colors of your choice. Mix the pigments into the resin, pour it onto your surface or into a mold, and manipulate it to create swirls and patterns. You can even use a heat gun or torch to create unique effects and patterns. Once your resin has cured, you'll be left with a glossy, durable finish that's perfect for creating decorative objects, jewelry, and even furniture. Resin marble refers to a type of art or craft where epoxy resin is used to create a marble-like pattern or effect. This can be achieved by adding various colors of resin pigment to the mixed epoxy resin and manipulating it to create swirls and patterns that resemble natural marble. The process of creating a resin marble involves pouring the mixed resin onto a surface or into a mold and then manipulating it using various techniques, such as swirling the colors together or dragging a tool through the resin to create veins. The resin is then left to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions, resulting in a glossy, durable finish that resembles natural stone. Resin marble can be used in a variety of applications, such as creating decorative objects, jewelry, and even furniture. It has become increasingly popular in recent years as a unique and creative way to add a touch of elegance to any project. So why wait? Try resin marble today and see how you can add a touch of elegance to your next project. Here's a step-by-step guide for creating a super easy white and gold resin marble. Materials: epoxy resin, clear; white resin pigment; gold resin pigment; mixing cups; stir sticks; heat gun or torch; disposable gloves; protective goggles. Steps: prepare your workspace by covering it with a plastic sheet or newspaper. Put on your disposable gloves and protective goggles. Mix the epoxy resin according to the manufacturer's instructions in a mixing cup. Add a few drops of white resin pigment to the mixed epoxy resin and stir until the color is fully incorporated. Pour the white resin into your mold or onto your surface. Add a few drops of gold resin pigment to the remaining mixed epoxy resin and stir until the color is fully incorporated. Pour the gold resin over the white resin in a thin, random pattern. Use a heat gun or torch to gently move the gold resin and create a marble-like effect. Let the resin cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once cured, remove the resin from the mold or sand and polish the surface if needed. And that's it for our video on resin marble. We hope you enjoyed learning about this unique and creative art form. Marble resin art is a type of art that uses epoxy resin to create patterns that resemble natural marble. The process of creating marble resin art involves mixing clear epoxy resin with various colors of resin pigment, and then pouring the mixture onto a surface or into a mold. The resin is then manipulated using various techniques to create patterns and swirls that resemble natural marble. Marble resin art can be used to create a variety of decorative objects, including jewelry, coasters, and even furniture. The finished product is glossy and durable, with a unique pattern that can be customized to suit any taste or decor. To create your own marble resin art, you will need clear epoxy resin, resin pigment in the colors of your choice, mixing cups, stir sticks, a heat gun or torch, and a protective workspace. Simply mix the resin and pigments together, pour the mixture onto your surface or into a mold, and manipulate it to create the desired pattern. Once the resin has cured, you'll be left with a stunning piece of art that's sure to impress. Remember, with just a few simple supplies, you can create stunning patterns and effects that will add a touch of elegance to any project. Be sure to share your resin marble creations with us in the comments below. We'd love to see what you come up with. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.